Hello everyone, I'm Griffin and we are back with another reaction video. This time I've seen clips of this and I wanted to react to the entire thing, and from what I've seen in the clips, it looks really freaking good. This one is Legend, a Dragon Ball Tale. This is the full film, so we are going to check it out and see how it is. So enjoy it with me. By the way, I grew up watching Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball GT, Dragon Ball Super, basically all the Dragon Ball movies. I've played the Dragon Ball Budokai games and then Budokai Tenkaichi games. I love Dragon Ball. It is one of my top favorite animes of all time. So I love this stuff. I think Toriyama would love this. At least I think he would. Nasir Pasha. I hope I pronounced that right. Planet Vegeta, Hydra Galaxy. Yeah. It's weird to see them with weapons like that.
My son, stay strong. Your crown is here, and your kingdom awaits your return.
I like the animation, it's really nice. Kind of feels like an old 90s animation.
Just how stupid can you be?
Have we ever met?
Have we ever met?
If you don't mind, can you just tell me what I forgot so I can remember?
Unbelievable! And did you forget the promise you made me as well? You promised to marry me, Goku!
Well, his life's over.
Is that all you can say for yourself? Goku!
That green. That should be Broly. Yep, that's Broly.
The green light, the gold you fashion. It's not every day that a king leaves his throne, but for you, I make a royal exception.
Wow.
All my life I've trained for this one moment. For the pride of the Saiyans! For my family. And yes, even you, Kakarot. Saiyan legend, hear me! Today a god falls. Bones to dust. Ashes to the wind!
This is so good. God, it must have taken him a long ass time to make this, but damn. He punches a Saiyan out of him. That's pretty cool. Honestly, I love how he made the transformations look in this film. They're so good. It's so badass. Monkey King Son Goku. Oh, that was so good.
I remember. It's Chi-Chi, right?
Kakarot.
Stop calling me that.
That name is your birthright. For you, just like I, are the legacy of a proud race of golden warriors. We are the keepers of the primal light. Your light is out of control and must be refined to be useful. Your days under the sun are numbered, Kakarot. So marry that woman while you still have the chance. And come with me. We have to prepare.
For what?
War.
That was so good. I would love to see Nasir make another one, just to continue off it. Actually, I think it should be like a whole series, because a series made from this animation style and all this stuff would just do phenomenally well. I think everyone in the Dragon Ball community would love it. I mean, this is done fantastic. You know, all the props. 2 thumbs up. There's my other thumb. Wonderfully good. Well, I hope you all enjoyed Legend of Dragon Ball Tale. If you did, let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Make sure to go check out my Twitch and other social medias. Links to all those will be in the description below. If there are any other videos you'd like to see me react to, please make sure to comment them down below, and I will get to them as soon as I can. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.